In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to update barcodes using MegaEdit's batch capabilities. Additional information on MegaEdit's batch mode and barcode capabilities can individually be found on the Infigo Academy. Links for those topics can be found in the associated step-by-step guide below. Now let me just show you what we're intending to create here. So I just have a very simple label product, and I've got a barcode which I want to be populated based on a range of products, let's say, which have different price reductions. So what we're going to actually set this up to do is give us the ability to upload a CSV, which then links to different fields on the product itself. So when we go ahead and preview and then ultimately purchase these products, we'll actually see that as well as information in the actual or text-based information changing, we'll also see the barcode information changing as well. So to do this, we'll start off on our product. And I'm just going to go to the MegaEdit settings of that particular product. And we're going to begin by making sure that both the batch and the barcode capabilities of MegaEdit are enabled. So on the General tab, if I scroll down to the bottom here, I do want to make sure that I've got the CSV plugin enabled, which is on the batch source setting. We also want to check server-side preview. This is required in order to preview the populated barcode entries. Make sure that before you move away from this page, you hit Save and Continue Edit. When that's done, we want to go over to the Scripts tab. Two things to activate here. One is the barcode field script, which will give you access to adding barcodes to your products. And then we have the standard batch scripts, which work hand in hand with that selection we made a moment ago. Now, if you can't see either of those scripts, please do get in touch with our customer support team who will be able to enable them for you. Now, if I go back to our product here, and we'll just see actually how these are configured. So you would add the barcode itself in the usual way that you would on a MegaEdit product. The same as with adding an image or a text field. If your product is configured to do so, you'll have a Fields tab over on the left-hand side, where you can add the relevant field type, which includes a barcode. If you double click on the barcode that you add, you have the ability to select the barcode type that you require. This will need to be relevant to the type of information that you want to populate it with, of course. If we then go over to the details section, scroll down a little bit and find the name field, and then put in a name for this barcode field. This name is what will eventually be mapped to a column in your uploaded CSV data. Whilst not strictly necessary, making the name of the field and the CSV column identical will allow the system to auto map the two, which will simplify the process. So let's take a quick look at our sample CSV. So this is the sample information we're going to be uploading. In our sample CSV, we can see two data columns. One's named product and one is named price. And we wish to populate our barcodes with the content of each of the product rows. So going back to my product, that is why I would put product in my case as the name of this barcode field, because that maps this barcode field to that particular column. On a side note, the price column I've put in as a variable in a text field. Okay, so with that in place, we can now go ahead and say upload CSV. Now mapping should occur automatically, with the user asked to confirm the configuration that's required. In our example, we can see a product mapping, which has taken the name for the barcode and matched it to one of the columns in our CSV. We also have our price mapping, which is looking for the price variable in our text field. Should the mapping be incorrect for whatever reason, or the barcode and column names might not be identical, you can manually change the mapping of these data sets. You can also make it so each of those is a static field with a static body of text if you wish to do so. Click on OK. That'll go ahead and upload that CSV. And then if we go to preview, what you'll find is that these populated barcodes can now be seen. So if I switch between the first few records, we'll see that the price in the text field is updating, and also the content of the barcode field is changing as well.